Tasha and I'm excited to introduce you to Project Santa Cruz. You already know about the abilities of the VMware SASE to achieve simplified enterprise WAN operations at all of your edge office, retail, and manufacturing locations. We are now announcing that you can use that same VMware SD-WAN investment to also provide edge compute and deploy and manage your containerized applications at the edge. Project Santa Cruz is a new integrated offering from VMware that adds edge compute and SD-WAN together to give you a secure, scalable, zero-touch edge runtime at all of your edge locations. It connects your edge sites to centralized management planes for both your networking team and your cloud-native infrastructure team. This solution is OCI compatible. If your application runs in a container, it can run on Santa Cruz. This includes all of your favorite cloud services. Check out this video for exactly what we mean for zero-touch provisioning. Workers at edge sites just need to open the box, plug in the cables, and you're off to the races. Leverage Project Santa Cruz to have a cost-effective solution at your edge sites for both consistent networking services and to deploy and manage containerized edge locations. The nature of this solution is inherently sustainable, adding more functionality to a single device and empowering you to reduce appliance sprawl and contain cost. VMware SD-WAN has also been deployed in emergency response vehicles moving over 100 miles per hour to provide real-time camera and edge processing back to central locations to manage high-impact, evolving public safety situations, providing multi-carrier consistent video at speed even as vehicles pass between coverage areas. We see these evolving use cases at the edge as a fantastic opportunity for VMware to continue to showcase our full-stack hybrid multi-cloud services model everywhere you and your users need to be. Today, with our partners from Intel, we are excited to show you how we can leverage Project Santa Cruz's edge platform together with OpenVINO to take advantage of inference at the edge. Here you can see this software combining streaming camera data and local inference to identify if everyone entering a corporate office is wearing a mask to comply with their local COVID-19 restrictions. Here's another example. We're helping a checkout clerk identify items. With Project Santa Cruz running on Intel-powered edge devices, you can process and react to your edge data in situ, able to run algorithms where data still resides in memory. As this technology matures, imagine visiting grocery stores and never having a clerk need to flip open the epic book of produce types again, as everything is quickly identified and rung up via Project Santa Cruz. Meanwhile, inventory can be updated in real time as produce is purchased and leaves the store. Furthering the VMware Edge capability matrix, we are proud to introduce a sneak peek at Tanzu Kubernetes Grid's Bring Your Own Host capability. With this project, we are introducing a cluster API provider that supports customers bringing their own infrastructure to satisfy use cases from Hyper-V to highly advanced gaming and finance kernel tuning, and still being able to use our enterprise-grade Kubernetes across all of your environments. Here you can see we're registering a bare metal server as available capacity to Tanzu Kubernetes Grid. You can now use the same cluster creation configuration file, and we'll just set the infrastructure provider to bring your own host, BYOH. Use Tanzu cluster create command to create the cluster, and then use Tanzu cluster list, and the new cluster will be listed there. You can manage Kubernetes on your bare metal servers from Tanzu Mission Control too. Here you can see your bring your own host attached cluster and a regular attached cluster on vSphere.